Hi YouTube from my car space. Today I am sick, so I'm not doing much today, but I'm trying to start a healthy journey. And of course I forgot to put my engagement ring on, so I'm looking funny. But right now I have the dog in the car and we are on our way to the fiance's house because I'm gonna go drop off Buddy, but I'm also gonna do my workout. Like I said, I'm not feeling well. I don't know what happened. Like, either I got sick from my parents or I don't know. It's that time of the year where it's like you just get sick. But Buddy and I, right, Buddy? Buddy and I, we are on our way to the fiance's house or his dad's house, his house, whatever you want to call it for Buddy. And we're gonna I'm gonna go over my bridesmaids boxes because I tried to make a video or try to put it together, like showing from like step by step of how I did it, and I looked over the clips and it just does not look correct, so I have to go over it again. I'm asking them next weekend anyway, so this kind of works out because I can kind of like start editing the new video, part of this video, and then putting it up as like a sneak peek before my bridesmaids become my bridesmaids kind of thing. But I won't put it out until after Sunday, and then I'll post a video of how Sunday goes. So hopefully it's exciting and it's fun. Like I think it's going to be. It's not very hot today, so that's why I'm still wearing this kind of like sheer jacket type thing as well. But I was going to go to the gym and I feel just too sick to go to the gym, so I think I'm just going to work out at his house because his mom has quite a bit of workout stuff too. I want to have a good day today. I want to have some good energy and start off the end of the year with a bang. So we're trying to lose some weight. It is October 25th, I think, October 24th. I don't know what date it is. October 20th. And yeah, so we're gonna finish this year off with a bang. I'm gonna finish my birthday off with a bang. I'm gonna try to lose 10 pounds by the time it's my birthday, or 15 pounds by the time it's my birthday. That way I could be like, oh my god, I'm almost there. I started off already so good. So let me get to his house, then I can show you guys the box. Okay, so here are the boxes. Again, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the bridesmaid, one bridesmaid and one of the maid of honor, because their boxes are a little different, just barely. So I did my own bows on front. When the day comes, which is not this weekend but next weekend, today is Thursday, so a week and a half from today, we will be going to the store and getting, you know, eucalyptus and lavender, and I'm gonna put them in between here so that they can see the colors, and it makes it a little more like rustic kind of style, like romantic like. And then I've got my sisters. My sisters did mess up a little bit, so I was a little bothered by that, and I don't know how to get rid of the stains, but you know, I'm not gonna sit there and do this again for 2 hours. Like, that really took me a minute to get, you guys. You have no idea. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just undo this because why not? I can put them back when I'm done. And oh my god, so sorry, my nose is like killing me. It's killing me. So when they open it up, it's on the inside, it says, will you be my bridesmaid? And then in the background there's all Mickey. So you guys, this is my second like Mickey theme thing, so they could be like, oh, it's themed after Disney, like duh, like who would not? And then for my sisters, it says, which again, you guys, hers messed up again. I don't know how hers keeps messing up, but it says, will you be my matron of honor? And then this one rips, and I'm so mad. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna leave it, if I'm gonna take more on top. I haven't decided yet. But then, yeah, matron of honor, and hers looks a little different. It has Mickey and Minnie paper. It's a little darker. And then these are the boxes. I have photos. I have to get a photo for Stephanie and I because we don't take lots of photos. We're always working. And when we do take photos together, they're always like videos and not photos. We Snapchat more. And then in my sisters and everyone else's, they have a photo of me and my sister, or me and that person. So yeah. So I'm going to just show this one because it's kind of like shows what their duties are. In this, I did this all with my computer. I went to Michael's and I got cardstock paper. It was like $4.99, I think, for like 100 of them, and they were like all these neutral colors, and I thought it would work well with kind of similar to my colors. And then I gave him a sheet with Mickey Waltograph, of course, Waltograph. Basically, I gave him a sheet that's with their duties. I gave them a sheet, which I can't give you too much information on this, you guys, because I don't want you knowing where my wedding and everything is. But this is about the wedding, about where it's gonna be, what time, everything. And then this is a thank you card. I thought this would be really nice to give them as well. It tells them who my bridesmaids and my matron of honor, their names, telling them congratulations that you're a bridesmaid, now it's time to meet each other. And then at the end it's just saying, like, you know, I want to say thank you before we even start any wedding planning, because I know I'm going to be crazy and I know everything's going to be crazy, so I want to make sure everything is nice and easy for them. So there's that. And then in the box, oh my god, if this will stay up, in the box there's a glass here that says, "Bitch, please, you're obviously going to be my bridesmaid." And no, that wasn't a question. And I thought that was so cute. I got it off at Etsy, and it's a full-on flute, so it's really nice. Then some Ferrero Rochers and some wine to put in their glass, so that when they want to have a little time to themselves, they have some wine, some chocolate, and then, you know, a bath bomb and more chocolates. Of course, these smell amazing, by the way, you guys. These ones, especially the original, this is the Smoothie Star, but the original I absolutely love. They all have different ones, by the way. The only thing that's the same in every single box is the chocolates. The glasses, well, of course, this one says Matron of Honor too, so it looks a little different, Matron of Honor. The glasses are a little different, but everything else is pretty much the same. The fuzzballs and the mask are different, and then just like this one says Matron of Honor, like congratulations, Matron of Honor. You know, after this, like I said, I'm gonna go get the eucalyptus and the lavender, put that in there, and then I'm going to show up to the tea place with them, and I'm going to surprise them with tea and their boxes, and then we're going to sit down and I'm going to go over basically what I'm going to do for my wedding, what I expect out of all of them, what I would need from them, basically ask them what's too expensive, what's not too expensive of them. Also asking them like what they feel most comfortable in as far as dresses, and then I will send them all the information for their dresses, for what I would like them to wear, all that stuff, you know, just little things. But yeah, that's what I have for today. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go to the store and get my mom some cheese, and I'll be right back, okay?
Why are you guys being so gentle with them? Read the lid. Open it. Read the lid. Read the lid. Read the lid.
Okay, so this is like months later, but I totally just forgot to finish the vlog off and explain basically what happened in the last clip that you guys just saw. Oh, by the way, I'm at work, so ignore all the background stuff. There's a lot of stuff going on, okay? But basically, at the end of my in the last clip, I was basically showing them their boxes. Two of my bridesmaids cried. It was such an emotional moment. One of my bridesmaids, I had to go to her house because her foot, she actually was wearing a boot and she was going through it. She was sick at the same time, so she couldn't really make it there, sadly, but I was still able to go see them and bring them their boxes. It was such an emotional moment for me and my girls, but that's how we ended our day. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.